The global coronavirus pandemic has exposed so many problems in the fabric, the very fabric of our society, not the least of which is the public education system and the way that it does now and has been for generations, failing children. When kids suddenly had to switch to distance learning, so many problems were shown to us. My name is Manny Wolf, and I'm the CEO of We School. And at We School, we envision a brand new model of education for children everywhere. One that will prepare them for the world of tomorrow, not with minute fractional changes to an existing system that has failed already, but through revolutionary new technologies, new ideas, new visions, and new ways to integrate the really important things that today's children need to be ready for the world of tomorrow. Things like collaboration, deep learning, how to develop culture, critical thinking. These kind of foundational skills need to be taught alongside reading, writing, and arithmetic and the classical education model. Plus, at We School, we embrace the role of technology in teaching, we embrace the role of technology in education, and we embrace the role of technology in the future that we are all building together. If you'd like to learn more about We School, click the link below to join our mailing list and stay up to date on everything that we're doing. Thank you very much.